So now seems as good a time as any for some channel news, because it's peeing it down with rain, and I've also forgot to press record on one of the cameras in the car whilst filming. Channel news. So it's been about 2.5 years since the channel begun with the MGTF, and there's been a really positive feedback from the YouTube community, yourselves, and there's been a really steady subscriber following. So super grateful for those that have stuck with the channel for so long, and any new subscribers that might have joined along the way. Really enjoy working on cars like this. It's my hobby, but I want to expand that and expand the content on this channel. So I'm going to do a bit of a rebrand. I'm going to take the name from MGLee to Wheatley's Workshop, and it's going to open that up to new possibilities, including this new project car, which will be coming to the channel quite soon. So super grateful for those of you that are stuck with the channel. Hopefully more and more of you will subscribe as you come to watch and enjoy the content, hopefully. But thank you, and I'll see you soon.